अस्सलाम वालेकुम। तो इस वक़्त मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट प्रोग्राम के इंग्लिश फैसिलिटेटर सर अवैस महबूब। आइए इनसे हम जानते हैं कि इन्होंने अपनी क्लास में किस मेथोडोलॉजी को यूज़ किया और स्टूडेंट्स का इनके साथ इंटरेक्शन कैसा था? अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
Walaikum assalam. Sir, thanks for asking and thanks for giving this much value. First of all, sir, the students' experience was quite nice. And the thing was that the methodologies and everything that was followed, it was exactly according to the pattern, it was exactly according to each and everything that has been given to us. And the papers in which students appeared, that is actually the proof how the students perform. And definitely, ultimately, it is the proof how their instructors, how their basically facilitators and educators taught them. And basically, students' results will speak volumes, inshallah, this time as well. As we see that there is a tradition which has basically excellence has maintained that regularly every year excellence has been producing some gems, and inshallah this year as well you will see that excellence name will be on one of those basically ranks which will be on the top.
इंग्लिश के सब्जेक्ट को स्टूडेंट्स के साथ लेकर चलना इसलिए कि एक बहुत चैलेंजिंग टास्क है चूँकि फिज़िक्स में, केमिस्ट्री में, बायोलॉजी में बाउंड्रीज़ मौजूद हैं, मगर इंग्लिश में सर कोई बाउंड्री नहीं होती। आपके
Yes.
पास एक जैसे एक टॉपिक है, तो इस सबको आपने कैसे समराइज़ किया और सिलेबस आपने फिर इसका कैसे डिज़ाइन किया स्टूडेंट्स को आसान बनाने में?
Definitely, sir. Basically, we have to go with the trends. Actually, यहाँ पे excellence में एक चीज काफी अच्छी है that the classes are basically being arranged with different sort of present modern equipments as well. Like for example, we have got projectors over here. The classes are air conditioned as well. So basically, whatever the things that we were actually teaching them, they were according to what do we call it? That basically starts something from very basic. Like it was when it was the very first class of the students when in the very first class their level was judged like how they were and like how they would be progressing, and keeping that thing in mind they were taught each and everything. Like for example, in the very first class their vocabulary was as is, their questions were asked to judge their level as well, and then the things basically went on smoothly.
सो बहुत चैलेंजिंग होता है डेफिनेटली इंग्लिश स्टूडेंट्स तक पहुंचाना और बहुत अच्छे अंदाज में सर अवेश महबूब ने ये स्टूडेंट्स तक पहुंचाया और इसलिए भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था क्योंकि सर आपने जो उनको समझाया फिर वो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायोलॉजी के क्वेश्चंस को भी समझने में
So
उनको बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। बहुत शुक्रिया सर आपका और हम दुआ करते हैं इंशाल्लाह कि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट जिन्होंने सर से पढ़ा इस साल एक्सीलेंस एप्टीट्यूड प्रोग्राम में उनका 22 सितंबर को टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा होने जा रहा है
Inshallah.
और उनका एडमिशन मेडिकल कॉलेजेस में होगा।
Inshallah.